Hey guys, Chaos Master Z, how's it going? If you have come here from TikTok, I appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're from YouTube, make sure to follow my TikTok. There's some exclusive content on both of them. This is an exclusive YouTube video where I'm actually going to be opening up this box. It just arrived today. It'll be interesting to see what these cards, look like and what they did for the 10th anniversary of Sword Art Online. So with that, let's get this opening completed. So this is my promo card. As you guys can see, each box comes with a promo. There are a total of 16 packs in this box. Don't really know what I expect, just looking for, some cool art cards. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. Oh yeah, they have the nice hole in them so that you can open them easier. Whoa, is that cool? Game of Life or Death. It's hollow, as you guys can see. And then Promise of Dusk. That's actually from the new movie. That's cool. Oh, so is this. So that's pretty cool. Oh, that's from the new movie too. Wow. So is that. We got 2 hollows in this pack. Oh, that's a special rare. Oh, that's cool. That's an SR. I think they only guarantee you one SR. Well, I don't think they guarantee you anything, actually. Probably won't get anything else in this box. I think SR is... Oh, they redid that one. Oh, there's Yu-Gi-Oh! That's cool. I probably won't be getting any more of these. I just wanted to get a box of them because they're the 10th anniversary, and I figured that'd be cool to have a little collection of. So... Oh, there's another SR. I don't know what the pull rates are on this. Oh, that's really cool. What's it say? Super rare. Okay. $100 cards. 100 different cards in this set. Okay. That's not a lot. That's cool. Klein. Whoa. That one's cool too. Alicization. Oh, is that cool? Or Alicization. I'm sorry. Not Alicization. Alicization. I need to make sure I say it right. Loving the art on these cards. Oh, look at that. Until we meet again. Oh, there's Lisbeth. That's cool. value-wise, I have no idea if I've done anything worthwhile. Don't have any idea. I'd have to look it all up after, which I might, but at the same time, oh. Oh man, okay, that's crazy. They made that a uncommon. That was the card that was worth a ton of money. Oh, Christmas one. Oh, is that awesome? Maidens of the Holy Night. That's cool. Oh, that's really cool. So it looks like they reprinted a lot of the cards that were in the set that were, you know, cards that people wanted. So that's pretty cool. But then on top of that, oh, look at that Yuki. That's awesome. Oh, that's a double R. Huh. Newbie Gamer Asuna. Oh, there's another Christmas one. Happy Christmas. That's pretty cool. I'm pretty pleased with this box already. This box is pretty sweet. Now, would I love to get like a SP? Yeah, I would, but not very likely. Huh. That's cool. Oh, double R again. Leafa. And a regular R Yuki. That's cool. Whoa. That's cool. That's from Ordinal Scale. I'd love them to do a set like this for Fairy Tale. I doubt they ever would, but sure would love it. There's another Alice. Oh, and that's an awesome card too. The art on these cards is just phenomenal, which, as someone that's not playing the game, that's the whole point why I bought these. Oh, wow. There's Aria, Starless Night. Don't think we're going to pull an SP, but it is what it is. I'm very happy with pulling like the Holy Night, you know, Christmas card. That was pretty cool. Oh, another one of those. Another one of those. Another one of those. Another one of those. Whoa, I just pulled an SP. Wow. Okay. Not who I would have wanted if I pulled an SP, but hey, I got an SP. Maybe I could trade it. Don't know what it's worth. Oh, that's cool. Beta tester. Probably need to get that case, though. Because that is silicon. Silica seems to be a very valuable card. Don't know if this one is, but That's the first time I've ever pulled an SP out of all the booster boxes I've ever opened. Oh, shoot. So let's get her in here. Oh, shoot, that's not the right size case. Here we go. Oh, sorry. Okay, why am I having such a hard time? There it is. So that's what I just pulled. It's a signed card, so, which is cool. Let's get in the top loader. Out of all the ones that I would have pulled, though, this is probably the one that I would have wanted the least, because I'm just not a big, I mean, Silica is cool and all, but I prefer Osna and Kirito, or even Alice, that would be cool, or Yu-Gi-Oh. Correct, get down there. There we go. Okay. Okay, next. Oh, is that art awesome? Sorry, this is a long video. I was not expecting it to be quite this long, but hopefully you guys won't mind. Whoa, that's cool too. Whoa, that one's awesome too. My gosh, these packs are just awesome art-wise. And there's another Happy Christmas. So, yeah. Thumbs up if you liked the video. Sword Art Online 10th anniversary for the win. And other than that, we'll talk to you later, YouTube. Thanks. Bye.